Oh yes, today is Sunday and we are back again with another soup recipe. And the fufu betre say ebi musu be di banku so hunsa. So on Sundays in Ghanaian home, it is all about soup or anything swallow. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made this delicious peanut butter soup. Let's get started. So I have my homemade peanut butter here. I'm just going to pour one in my cooking pot. If you've not watched this video, how I made the peanut butter is on the channel. Please check it out. I'll go ahead and add my tomato paste. Mix it very well, okay? You can add the quantity that you want. Mix it. After that, I'm just going to add some water and then mix it very well. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. So after we are done mixing everything, I'm just going to leave this on fire and then fry it very well. You know how you are going to run if your granite is not well cooked. So that is why we fry this, okay, so that even if you are not able to cook it for a longer time, you know it is already cooked. So that is the main reason why I am frying it, and also to get some oil. Or even if you don't fry it, you may get oil on top, but I just want to cook it very well. That is why I'm making it this way. So you can decide to just put it on fire straight away, okay? Thank you so much for your time. So I realized that the oil was too much, and I'll go ahead and remove some from the distance on top of the peanut we are frying. So I will use the oil to prepare maybe stew or anything that requires oil, okay? Yes, so that is what I got. I'll go ahead and add water to it, mix it very well. So just continue adding the water. If you want it very light, know how you add the water or the quantity you should add. Now on the other hand, I have my goat meat, pepper, homemade natural spice and herb blend, goat meat seasoning, salt, that is my basil, then my parsley together with ginger, garlic, onion, the trinity. And then rosemary, okay? So I have seasoned my fish my meat very well, and after it was done or well cooked or steamed, I added the mixture we made. That is the peanut butter we fried. I added it to it, and I've added my carrots and then my tomatoes. Now they are ready for me to blend. I'm just going to remove it, add turkey berries, and then blend. So we are going to blend turkey berries, carrots, and tomatoes. I love turkey berries and I can't do anything without that. So welcome back. I'll go ahead and add it to the soup. Wait for a while. At this moment, taste for salt. If your salt is not enough, you can add more. If your seasoning is not enough, you can add more before you add your fish or meat. So I'm adding some chicken. That chicken was we used it yesterday, and I'll be bringing you the recipe very soon. And the fish you saw earlier, I'm using 2 of that, the bigger one, and that was the smaller one. I deboned everything and I've added it to the soup. Now I'll go ahead and add my smoked tilapia. I've added some pepper. I'll wait for a while, and then after some few minutes, like 20 minutes, this is how our soup is looking. And you can see it is very simple, easy, and it looks very delicious. I was happy that it tasted so good, but I was sad because my husband bit his tongue. Sorry about that, sweetheart. It was delicious. Thank you and see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Bye.